everyone. Let's talk about server memory. Upgrading your server's RAM is one of the most impactful things you can do to boost performance. And today we're looking at the NEMIX RAM 32GB DDR5 ECC-RDIMM. This module is designed to breathe new life into your server or workstation. This particular module is a 32GB stick operating at a speedy 4,800 MHz. It's a PC5-38400 1RX4, running at a cool 1.1V with a CL40 latency. What does all that mean? It means it's built for speed and stability, crucial for demanding server applications. One of the key features here is that it's ECC registered or error-correcting code registered memory. This is a big deal for servers because it detects and corrects memory errors on the fly. This helps prevent crashes and data corruption, keeping your system running smoothly and reliably, especially important for critical applications. NEMIX RAM has designed this module to be compatible with Micron's MT545's 1RC48BA2. So if you're looking for a compatible upgrade, this is a solid option. It's also designed to work with DDR5 RDIMM server motherboards. Always double-check your motherboard's compatibility list before purchasing any memory, but this NEMIX RAM module aims for broad compatibility. Installing memory is generally a straightforward process. NEMIX RAM emphasizes simple installation, and most users should be able to handle it themselves in a few minutes. Of course, always refer to your server's manual for specific instructions. NEMIX RAM positions themselves as specialists in enterprise storage RAM, and they back their products with a lifetime replacement warranty, which is a testament to their confidence in the quality of their memory. They also offer IT support, which can be helpful if you run into any issues during installation or operation. If you're looking to maximize the performance and reliability of your server, the NEMIX RAM 32GB DDR5 ECC-RDIMM is definitely worth considering. The combination of speed, error correction, and a lifetime warranty makes it a compelling choice for demanding server environments.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.